Grabe ang we shine, we
Rise.
That was such a fun experience, to be honest.
Sobrang sumasabog talaga. Kanina nakita niyo sumabog yung lahat ng emosyon ko. Pero yun talaga yung pinakasabi ko, yung feeling is sumasabog. Yung naipon na paghihirap namin, napakita namin today.
Yeah, tsaka mostly grateful din talaga kami kasi di naman mangyayari to kung wala yung mga taong naniniwala sa G22. Actually, kayo yon mga part yung media part yun dahil din sa inyo nakikilala kami sa platforms, we're able to share our stories. So maraming salamat.
At happy po kami. We're super happy as soon as we got off the stage. We look at each other. Sobrang, it's a celebration how far we've come. There's still malayo pa, pero maraming salamat for being here today po.
Actually, nag-present si AJ na PowerPoint presentation nung nag-meeting kami. Sabi, may I present my thesis.
Yung thesis presentation na, ito naman siya masabi! So, thesis presentation po ako sa, kaila Direk, kaila the whole team na kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari sa flow ng program, which are the pillars you've seen. Kaya siya Evo Fan Alpha, kasi dadaan ka talaga sa dissection niya eh. Kumbaga parang yung term na Christmas Eve, yung bago, para umusbong siya, sumibol.
It's a celebration.
So, yes po, it's a celebration siya. Maraming explanation, excited ako i-share siya soon.
On the solar stage, I just wanted to do something fun, something, I really love to sing, and that's my strength, I would say, but I wanted to show something different. I think a lot of people thought I would do a ballad, so I just wanted to be do something fun and fresh. And,
Yeah.
I think I wanna do another, if nagkaroon kasi kami before ng showcase sa email centrism, I wanna do something like that, but on another level para pakita na on a bigger stage.
As for me po kasi, parang for my soul, I feel like I'm a storyteller. So parang I really wanted theatrical in a way. Parang mag-theater. So parang sinry ko siya kanina. Na medyo emotions and everything. And
Grabe ang we shine, we
rise.
that was such a fun experience, to be honest.
Yes.
And who would say no to these beautiful girls? And ang babait ng mga team doon.
the staff, the team direct, even the girls, sobrang gaan din ang work. And parang feeling ko sobrang
It's an opportunity
yung
to
mga
be an
story
artist.
nila.
To switch roles for the actress.
Yes. And it was nice meeting
Tsaka
Alfea.
blessing yun.
Ngayon lang ako may nakilalang Alfea.
Blessing yun, na parang we always say yes, lalo na pag makakapag-promote kami in different ways. Thank you din, syempre sa Born to Shine for having us, na ibang side quest naman yung nagawa namin
It's our
doon.
honor.